Alrighty guys, so today we're going to be installing a few cameras here. We have a couple of instructions. Yada 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 yada. Yeah. Got all our extensions, cameras, mounts, screws, truck. We have the monitor up there already. Western Star, baby. So we're gonna go ahead and mount some of these cameras up on here. Did he say here? I believe he said here. Or was it here? No, because that raises up. So we're gonna mount them here. Bam! On there. On here. One up there, and then one way in the back here. We're gonna use the same one because we're not gonna be able to drill through that thing, man. That thing is well welded on there. So, all right, let's get to it. All right, guys. So there it is. We just finished the Western Star big rig here. We installed some cameras on it. Check this out. We installed that side view camera, I'm sorry. One on each side. We also ended up installing a new camera on the rear, and then one up there. See that guy sticking out up there? Yep, we also installed that one. It wasn't an easy task to do, but we were able to finish it off. Check this out. Show you guys how it works. So if you guys are interested, all this works too. All this opens up all the way. I ran my wire through the top, had to fish through. That was the most complicated part. Okay. So that's where we mounted our screen. Where did I leave the key? Reverse, take it out of reverse, then you got all your side angles. Hit this little guy here, that's the one up on top, rear, side, all. Good, ready to go. Let's go on to the next one, baby. Vámonos.